What's up, guys? We got another tool review. Alright guys, we got this Husky 12 volt inflator. Inflates tires and sports equipment up to 130 psi. Cord's 15 feet, so it should reach around the whole vehicle. We should be good to go. So let's unbox this. Let's unbox this little. Okay. Got your little bag. You have got your accessories, or you got this for your vehicle outlet. Lock it in place. Plug it on, just like any old bike tire pump. On off, right there. You'll have your gauge. So it goes up to 130 psi. Just a simple little handheld pump, lightweight. And just to let you know that it'll reach to all sides of the vehicle. First we do is we plug it in. Now that we have it plugged in, we're gonna get a reading. Honda recommends 32 psi for the front tires, 34 for the back. Put it all around, push it. Now, lock it. Okay.
I'm the second Cody.
Okay, turn it on. 120. Get close. Turn it off, CJ. Good job. All right, guys, I hope y'all liked this review we did. If you did, hit the like button for us. Consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get all of our vids. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.